Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinex. In today's video, we'll be looking at the updates from Focusrite Scarlett. We all know that this company has been into the business of manufacturing amazing audio interfaces, but they recently released the fourth gen of their 2i2 and 4i4. I use Focusrite myself, 18i8, but for now, I've not, laid my hands yet on the fourth gen 2i2 or 4i4. So in today's review, I'll be doing that right from their official website so we can see the features that the Gen 4 2i2 and 4i4 model have. So guys, with that being said, let's head straight to their official website. And as you can see, Scarlett, the original remastered, all right. And from what I'm seeing, this one is a little bit different as compared to the Gen 3. Incredible preamps, all right. Colossal dynamic range, re-engineered air mode for big studio sound. That's interesting. Auto gain and clip save, all the softwares you need. So this is pretty cool. So over here we have a Scarlett Solo, which is at 159.99 with this bundle right here. Comes with mic and headphone and link cable, and this other one, so 2i2 and 4i4. All right, so let's see what's is new in this amazing interface. Now, as you can see here, it says remote controlled fourth generation preamps, ready for the softest vocal or the loudest amp. 2i2 and 4i4 feature the high detail ultra low noise fourth gen preamp with a massive 69 dB gain range to capture every part of the performance. This is cool. Alright, let's go to the next option here. Studio quality high-Z and line inputs. Use high-Z instrument input like you would find on an amp and make guitars sound great for DIs and amp simulations. While super high quality line input capture all the character of your synths and keys. Alright. The next thing here is flagship converters. When you hit the red button, you are recording with professional grade 92 Hz 24-bit converters direct from our flagship RedNet interfaces, as found in countless high-end studios around the world. Build up your songs layer after layer and never worry about noise. Squeeze every last drop of detail out of your recordings without sacrificing sound quality. All right, let's see other things they have here. Auto gain sets the perfect level. Wow, I think this is a game changer for this interface. It's more like a vocal rider where it analyzes your incoming vocal signal and automatically writes it to control the dynamics, kind of. So let's see what it says. Just hit the red button and play for 10 seconds. 2i2 and 4i4 will set the perfect level for whatever you are recording. Go where the music takes you. Scarlett chooses the ideal gain settings to make the most of its massive dynamic range while giving you tons of headroom. Wow, this is good. And from the little display we can see, I think this is how it works. All right, let's see what's next. Clip save means you will never lose a take. Plug into 2i2 and 4i4, and while you're playing, clip save is all ears, checking your levels up to 96,000 times a second. More than the most careful studio engineers. Clip save would automatically adjust the gain if you are risk of clipping, protecting your audio from distortion, no compression, no limiting, no effects on your sounds. Wow, this is really interesting and amazing. So which means it's gonna be a lot easier now to achieve a very clean and professional take. Now, the next feature we'll be looking at is the air mode presence, the sound of our iconic studio console. Presence mode boosts your signal's high end, bringing the sound to the front of the mix, creates intimate vocal recordings, capture every detail of acoustic guitars, and hear your drum overheads shimmer. over here, A mode harmonic drive. Make your lead vocal and instrument tracks stand out. Harmonic drive mode boosts mid-range harmonics in your sound, making its unique character shine through the mix. Try it on guitars, vocals, or anything else that needs a little more punch. But be careful, you will never want to record without it. Then colossal 120 dB dynamic range. Dynamic range is the difference between the loudest and the quietest sounds you can record or play back. It gives you all the little details that bring your sound to life. Scarlett's 120 dB is so high, it's like the difference between a jet engine and a whisper. Get all the details you want without sacrificing headroom. Man, they are really hitting hard on how amazing this fourth generation is. Anyways, their previous models are mind-blowing, so I believe it's up to standard. It's up to what they are saying. And for sure, we definitely try this out myself. Custom designed headphone amp. Okay, which we can see over here. Over here, custom designed headphone amp. And what again? So let's see what it says. Our all new headphone amp design sets the stage of the best playback you've ever heard from a Scarlett interface, driving high impedance headphones louder and clearer than ever before. And every Scarlett now has independent controls for your headphones and monitors too. Loop back. Yeah, I think this is also in 18i8 because I see this also in my system where you can grab whatever that is playing on your computer. Need samples? Grab your own with loopback. Every 4th gen Scarlett makes it easy to grab stereo audio from your music app. Then over here, all the softwares you need to make a hit record. Once you've got started with the included Pro Tools, Artist, or Ableton Live light recording softwares, our Hitmaker expansion bundle has everything you need to bring big studio sound to your sound. Focusrite Control Tool is a powerful app for your Scarlett to make session setup painless so you can focus on what matters. Capturing great performances, available for PC and Mac. Okay? Alright guys, that is just it. I think this new updates, 4th gen, I think will be a game changer. So I'm gonna get this myself, hopefully soon. So guys, that will be it for this brief news I want to bring to you guys. And see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay creative. Bye for now.